So the one major complaint and one major issue with almost all dual or triple channel dash cams is that the rear camera quality is just about average and doesn't stand up to the levels of the front camera no matter which dual channel combo you take a look at. But that problem goes away as of today, because the camera which I'm about to show you and talk about is simply going to blow your mind. I mean, I kind of expected this to happen, but I didn't expect it to happen so soon. I'm talking about the Red Tiger F77 dual channel dash cam, and the speciality of this camera is that the front camera gets a 8 megapixel Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, the same sensor, the 4K sensor seen in the 70mm A810, but that's not its speciality. The speciality being even the rear camera of this dual channel setup gets a Starvis 2 IMX678 8 megapixel sensor with 4K resolution for the rear camera. This is unbelievably good, and this is kind of a dream setup for every dashcam user. Getting a dual 4K resolution both front and the rear with Starvis 2 on front and the rear with HDR, I mean, this simply is perfect combination. So when I first came across the news and the info regarding this camera, I was very excited. I was very happy to take a look at this. And just so you know that I've asked Red Tiger to send this camera as soon as possible to me to make a detailed review video. I don't currently have the camera with me yet, but probably I'll be getting it pretty soon and you'll be seeing an exclusive first look India's first F77 review only on my channel, that's Travel Tech. So in case if you don't want to miss that super important video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and don't forget to smash that like button. So that being said, let's talk a bit about the features of the F77 dual 4K dual IMX Starvis 2 678 camera. So as said, this is the world's first camera which gets a Starvis 2 IMX 678 8 megapixel 4K sensor for the rear camera as well. That being said, this camera also gets a field of view of 170 degrees for both front and the rear. That's the widest coverage I've seen in any dashcam and will definitely help you in giving you the most amount of video evidence from both front and the rear. This gets a not 2-inch, not 3-inch, but a 4-inch touchscreen display along with voice control. This gets a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network so that you can transfer video files the fastest way to your smartphone from the Red Tiger app, and this also gets a 128 GB eMMC 5.1 built-in storage. Of course, this is going to be very helpful because you can start using the dashcam straight away without having the need to insert an additional memory card. So the 128 GB eMMC 5.1 storage means this gets a 240 MB per second read speed and a 160 MB per second write speed within the dash camera. This gets the Red Tiger app control along with giving you a Red Tiger dedicated desktop app where you can monitor the videos, monitor the GPS coordinates, the G sensor movement and rest of the data associated within the video. Another super cool, super amazing thing about this camera is that you get a free hardware kit with this camera if you buy this using the link given in the description below. Yes, you don't have to shell out any extra money. Free hardware kit just for you. I mean, you get the option of both hardware kits, that is the OBD2 hardware kit and a regular fuse tab based hardware kit. But currently I don't think the OBD2 kit is still available, but you do get a fuse tab based hardware kit for free, and this is where this dash camera does have the biggest advantage over most other dash cameras. Now within parking settings, you get a G sensor based recording, that is collision detection, and a low frame rate recording similar to a time-lapse recording, so giving you a 24-hour coverage, giving you a 24-hour peace of mind whenever you parked your car in a strange or unknown places. This camera also gets a built-in GPS, so you can track the movement of the car once the car has come to a stop and you transfer the videos. You can see the speed coordinates, you can see the location of the car. I mean, basically all the factors, all the things associated with the GPS. You can take a look at that data once you get your hands on the video. So looking at all these features, you might think this camera must be very, very pricey. Well, it's not. It comes at pretty much a decent price, and this camera currently is priced at 28,490, that's 28,490 rupees, but you get an additional Diwali discount of more than 2,000 rupees, bringing the effective price down to 26,000 rupees for a dual channel, dual 4K, dual Starvis 2 camera. That's simply amazing. So if you're already blown away with the kind of features this camera has and you already want to go ahead and buy this for yourself, just click down on the description. I've given you the purchase link right there. Just click on it, add the camera to the cart and buy it straight away and keep yourself and your car safe for the longest duration of time. And just in case you miss out on the special Diwali coupon, you can always write down the coupon code TRAVELTECH. Since you are a viewer of my channel, just use the coupon code TRAVELTECH and you get an additional 1,660 rupees discount over any purchases done on the Red Tiger website. So a super awesome dual 4K camera, Dual Starvis 2 camera, Starvis 2 being my favorite, coming at a price of close to 25,000 rupees is a perfect deal. Not to mention you get a free hardware kit, you get a built-in 128GB eMMC 5.1 storage. I mean, what more do you want? This is simply perfect. Just go ahead and grab it. And for those of you who still want to take a deeper look, as I said previously, I've asked Red Tiger to send this camera to me as soon as possible. And whenever I get my hands on it, I'll be sure to update it on my channel, on my Facebook and the Instagram page. And of course, I'll be bringing up a super awesome, a super detailed review video of the Red Tiger F77. So in order to make sure that you do not miss that super important, super amazing video within the dashcam segment, you need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload that super amazing video. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just DM me on my Facebook or the Instagram page. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm super excited. I'm super happy to take a look at this camera because this is simply my dream dash camera. That being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.